The new i5PRO drone is designed to redefine your aerial photography and flight experience. This foldable quadcopter combines a professional 8K HD camera with powerful brushless motors and an intelligent 360-degree obstacle avoidance system, making it an ideal choice for adults seeking a high-performance yet user-friendly drone. Whether you're a beginner looking to capture stunning visuals or an experienced pilot desiring advanced safety features, the i5PRO offers a compelling package. Exceptional 8K HD dual camera system. At the heart of the i5PRO is its impressive camera setup. It features a front 4K HD lens that boasts an expansive 150 degrees remote-controlled adjustable angle, allowing you to capture wide, dynamic aerial shots. Complementing this is a bottom optical flow positioning lens, which aids in stable hovering and ground-level perspective. While the primary front lens is 4K, the drone is marketed with 8K HD professional camera photography, indicating high-resolution sensor capabilities for incredibly detailed photos and potentially upscaled video output. The beauty shooting function further enhances your captured images. Intelligent 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Fly with unparalleled confidence thanks to the i5PRO's intelligent obstacle avoidance system. This crucial feature actively detects obstacles from all directions, implied by 360 degrees camera photography and intelligent obstacle avoidance, allowing the drone to automatically sense and maneuver around potential collisions. This significantly reduces the risk of crashes, providing a safer and more enjoyable flight experience, especially when navigating complex environments. Powerful brushless motors for superior flight. The i5PRO is equipped with brushless motors, a significant upgrade over traditional brushed motors. This technology provides stronger power, longer endurance, and a longer lifespan for the drone. Brushless motors also contribute to more stable flights, better responsiveness, and reduced noise, ensuring a smooth and reliable aerial performance. The drone's fall resistance and collision resistance further enhance its durability. Optical Flow Hovering and Stable Flight System. Achieve effortless stability with the Optical Flow Hovering system. This advanced flight technology allows the drone to precisely hold its position, even in light wind conditions, making it incredibly easy for beginners to control and ensuring sharp, steady aerial photos and videos. This feature, combined with its 2.4G transmission signal, provides a stable connection for consistent control. Intuitive control and real-time transmission. The i5PRO offers versatile control methods, including remote control and mobile phone control. Its real-time image transmission allows you to see exactly what the drone sees directly on your smartphone, providing an immersive first-person view (FPV) experience. Features like one-button takeoff and landing and headless mode simplify operation, making it accessible for pilots of all skill levels. Smart flight functions for creative freedom. Unleash your creativity with a range of intelligent flight features. Gesture photo. Capture photos with simple hand gestures, adding a fun and intuitive way to snap aerial selfies. Trajectory flight. Draw a custom flight path on your smartphone screen, and the drone will automatically follow it, enabling smooth and cinematic tracking shots. 360 degrees roll. Perform impressive aerial acrobatics with a simple command, adding excitement to your flights. Multi-stage speed. Adjust the drone speed to suit your environment and skill level, from gentle hovering to dynamic maneuvers. Portable and durable design. The i5PRO boasts a convenient foldable design, making it highly portable. Its compact folded dimensions of 20 by 16.5 by 4.5 cm allow for easy transport in a backpack. The drone's robust construction ensures fall resistance and collision resistance, providing peace of mind during your flights. Decent endurance. Powered by a 3.7V 900 mAh lithium battery, the i5PRO offers an endurance of approximately 12 minutes of battery life. The charging time is around 60 minutes, allowing for quick turnarounds between flights. While the remote control requires 3 AAA batteries, the drone's battery is integrated for a streamlined design. In summary, the new i5PRO drone is an impressive entry into the adult drone market, perfectly balancing advanced features with user-friendly operation. Its combination of an 8K HD camera, powerful brushless motors, intelligent 360° obstacle avoidance, and optical flow hovering makes it a standout choice for capturing stunning aerial content safely and easily. Whether you're looking for a durable toy quadcopter or a capable photography tool, the i5PRO offers a comprehensive and exciting flying experience. Like and subscribe for more drone reviews, unboxings, and tutorials. Comment below, what feature do you love most about the i5PRO?